Today unboxing Vivo X30 Pro. First open the box front side mobile phone here. It's covered on plastic more free case. It's TPU case, more AC adapter. It's support 33 watts more Type-C cable and headphone. Good news, now Vivo give free headphone. Phone. Let's look phone side by side. Phone covered on plastic cover. First look phone. See guys, phone back light blue color. I like this color. Do you like guys this color? New pattern, so cool. Camera setup also looking new. One big lens. Gimble camera. How is work? Do you have any idea guys? Video and I'm deep camera test. Don't miss it. First look phone display. Display come with 6.53 inches Full HD plus E3 AMOLED display with 90 Hz display refresh rate. Main HDR10 plus panel, so watching experience much better. More highlights come with edge screen phones, so display side curved finishing. Handling feeling much better. Phone running on Android 10 based on FunTouch OS. Built-in fingerprint sensor. It comes with a Snapdragon 765G chipset. A 4315 mAh battery keeps the lights on and supports 33 watts fast charging with the charger in the box. While not explicitly confirmed, we believe the Pro Plus has the exact same battery capacity and charging speeds. The X50 Pro has another exciting camera setup, where the main camera has a gimbal-style stabilization that promises to deliver videos more stable than any of its competitors. It packs a slightly less impressive 48MP sensor, the Sony IMX598, but offers a faster f/1.6 aperture. The gimbal system that extends the rotation angle and anti-shake area significantly compared to the standard AIS systems nowadays.